My time serving here has been so long already. The last few thousand years have been a very long and memorable ride. Follow me as I remember about some of the moments of my journey. Like that time I was having an existential crisis and met someone. What's my purpose in this world? Everyone seems to always underestimate and leave me, saying I'm too hard to understand. Am I even existing with meaning? All my friends have always been taking me for granted and always,
Oh my god! Are you blind? Don't you even look where you're going?
Wait, haven't I met you before?
Huh? What are you talking about? Do I know you?
The girl may have not remembered, but it's true. The guy has taught her so many things way back years ago. Like counting during the prehistoric times, the concept of fractions 4,000 years ago, the concept of zero between 400 and 1,280, and lastly, the extension of the number concept, which are the negative numbers.
I guess I was really wrong about that having a purpose in this world. Not only I have helped that one girl, but also millions and billions of people. Well, I guess on the next one, I remember the time when I got into an argument with someone. Now that we have natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, and real numbers, the Greeks are now asking for help about what we should name their new invention. I mean, do you have any idea?
Huh? They don't even make sense. These numbers are complex. You can count them using symbols or using number lines. And they're not like fractions.
Huh? You know you're being irrational right now?
That's it! Irrational!
Huh?
We should call them irrational numbers.
Oh, I like that! Since we have rational numbers, we should have irrational numbers too. Now, we have 5 number systems.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Mathematicians says that mathematics is not just about numbers. They have already encountered a different kind of object of mathematical thought, like operations, for example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There's also these things called functions, which means a relationship or expression involving one or more variables. These two are very similar and are processes rather than things. In other news, mathematicians are not the only ones who can have their way in dealing with processes. Computer scientists have these things called data structures. Common examples in computer science are lists and arrays.
It's kind of funny how we came up with the name rational numbers. Now, let us remember the time when my logical foundations were still being sorted out.
Bertrand Russell and Alfred North Whitehead helped me out. They even wrote an enormous 3-volume work. Principia Mathematica's main objective was to analyze my logical structure. My image based on the description of its basic object is somehow like a tree that is rooted in numbers and branches out in many different data structures, as you may proceed from its different parts. However, this description fails to emphasize how my concept interact. I am not just a collection of isolated facts, but a landscape so vast that the users navigate and explore through what they would think would be impossible to break through.
Wow, I didn't even know that I'm that deep and complex.
True. What makes you even more complete is proof. Logic would not be complete without proof. Proof is what you need to consider and know if something is true or not. But still, even though you're all that, you still have a limitation on what can be proven or not.
That's right. But even if it's like that, we cannot forget the fact that the process of proving something is not an easy task. It is very extensive and requires a lot of patience. Proofs knit my fabric together, and if one thread is weak, the entire fabric may unravel. I've already helped countless of people throughout different timelines. And as you may have seen few minutes ago, those things are only few of what I'm all about. The world needs me to function, and I will never stop serving my purpose. And in case you're still missing it, I am mathematics, and this is my story.